Hello and welcome. This is Mijan from Signature Trade International, Dhaka, Bangladesh. Today I will show you some garments and will try to discuss about how to buy the stock lot item from our office and how you will be gainer by purchasing from ours rather than outside. So thing is that first of all, we try to provide the best quality of garment and authentic quality and with authentic price. Leftover garment, you know that so many problems are with the leftover product. Usually, after taking out the total required quantity of a customer, so what is leftover, there may have some bing bang or spot or some problem. Even the assort size ratio uh, there is not possible to get. So leftover item usually the buyers know the quality and others. But thing is that in Bangladesh, in some cases, not all, but in some cases, to make extra profit, some people tries to mix up the A grade and B grade and try to sell it with A grade product. But if you work with us, or sorry, if you uh, like to like us to work for you, then it will be very much positive for you that you will not be a loser by purchasing the product, because here A grade we always mention this is A grade, B grade we always mention B grade. Usually C grade we don't carry. So the price and quality you will get the real price, real quality. Anyway, now I will show you some garment. These all are stock item. Stock stock means leftover garments. Max brand, Dubai based Max brand. You see, these all are t-shirts, kids t-shirt. Okay, now this type of similar t-shirt, if you like to get with this type of fabric, you see, please do not see the quality, just see the fabric, this type of fabric, then again this type of fabric, this type of fabric. Even here I have some swatches. Even if you like with this Siro, then Napier, nappy fabric. This is nappy fabric. For ladies, this is injected lurex injected fabric. Engineering stripe fabric. These two are different. So multi-category of fabrics are in hand, and I am telling that we have very good stock in hand of this type of fabric, this grey melange, and we also can do over dye like this. Grey melange fabric we have just dyed, and effect fabric look effect has come like this. So it's an excellent quality, excellent look. You see, so as per your requirement we can dye and can provide you the your required t-shirt or polo shirt or whatever it is you like. Now if you want to take basic t-shirt or basic polo shirt, solid color. Solid color means this type of color, this type of color. This is not solid, this is this type. But even if you like, then we can provide you any color, and price will be very cheap within this high raising fabric price, because very recently I have seen in the market that fabric price goes up for around 50 to 60 taka per kilo, whereas our fabric price, we are not increasing the price, because this price was purchased with the previous rate, and very authentically we are not interested to make money uh, at this time. We want to make money whatever the reasonable price comes, we will take that price only. So if you want to contact with us, please check the inbox. There we will give our contact detail, and based on that we can provide you this type of t-shirt. And if you like to take only the solid color t-shirt, you can take it. Or if you want to add print or embroidery, we have very good source, and that is also possible. Another thing, I want to show you some shirts. Here is some shirts that goes to Malaysia, Dubai, Sudan, Ethiopia. These are all from 0 to 14 years. This is 4 years. This is 6 months. This is for 6 months. You see the shirt swing quality. You see the swing quality. You see. Various types of printed fabric and others are with us, so you can give us order, and we will work for you. So thank you so much. Have a nice day.